Hello and nice to see you again. Welcome back to my channel. Today we get back to the XJ750 project, also called as Yangon Yamaha, and I'm showing you how I made my rear brake lights. So let's go and see what happens. I found these old sleeves from my scrambler box, and they seems to be right diameter compared to the frame, so I'm using these as a template, and we'll mock up them a little bit to see how they will look as a backlight brackets. And by the way, please subscribe and watch my videos. I'm almost hitting the 4,000 hours magical number for the watch hour, so that I can make my channel monetized. So here you can see the basic idea how it would look when ready. So I had to take contact to my machinist and ask him to make me something like this, shown here. And a few months later I got these back, so I could go back to work and start welding them into the frame. So as you can see, there was some mistakes made, and the second sleeve got a little bit twisted. And you can, if there is not a peep, you can hear a Finnish cursing words. So I had to make this side again, but nothing too difficult to fix. So I just took the welds out and redone the right side of the indicator sleeve.
So this is how they end up. I think they are looking quite slick, to be honest. And as you can see, there has been lots of work done already that I haven't shown you guys at the channel. But in the next episode I will show you the rest of the wiring and what did I use from the old wiring set and whatnot. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching.